Hi, I'm Maria, I'm 17 and I'm doing the CAE course. I started at FIAC when I was 3 years old, taking the playgroup course. I still remember how excited I was to come to FIAC because we were learning English in a very dynamic way through games. One of my most special memories I have is from Jane, a teacher I had in kids. Thanks to her, I started feeling comfortable speaking in English because she used very competitive games which motivated me. Now, 10 years later, Jane is my teacher again, and she teaches a lot of tricks for our exams. I believe FIAC is a unique academy, not only because it teaches English effectively, but also it makes you feel like home. In fact, my father and my sister were also part of the FIAC family, and even today they remember how much the academy helped them. Outside of class, I listen to music and watch series and movies in English, and thanks to FIAC, I can understand everything. Moreover, this year, I was given a scholarship that will allow me to go to MIT to study for 6 weeks. And of course, the fact that I know English has been a plus for them to give it to me. In the future, I would love to study biomedical engineering and work abroad, and knowing English is essential for that. Last year, we went to Disney Park at Orlando, and that was the moment I realized how important it is to know English, because I could understand everything, and if I had any doubt during the trip, I could ask for it. Thanks to FIAC, English has gone from just a subject to a natural part of my life.